Ophiocordyceps unilateralis is a unique parasitic fungus known for its ability to affect ants. When an ant becomes infected with Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, the fungus develops within the ant's body and takes control of its behavior. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis typically starts by infiltrating the ant's body through small openings on the exoskeleton or through the respiratory system. It then grows and manipulates the ant's nervous system and muscles to control its behavior. It alters the ant's movement patterns and guides it to elevated positions in the environment, often on vegetation. Once the fungus has full control over the ant, it continues to grow and eventually forms fungal fruiting bodies, called stromata, from the ant's body. These fruiting bodies release spores to infect other ants and complete the fungal life cycle. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis belongs to the Cordyceps family and is found in tropical and subtropical regions worldwide. It has gained attention for its remarkable ability to control ant behavior. Research on Ophiocordyceps unilateralis is ongoing to further understand the interaction between the fungus and ants. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis is known for its fascinating life cycle and the intricate relationship it forms with its ant host. The infection process begins when spores of the fungus come into contact with an ant. The spores attach to the ant's exoskeleton and start to germinate, penetrating the ant's body. Inside the ant, the fungus starts to grow, consuming the non-vital tissues while avoiding critical organs to keep the ant alive. The fungus then begins to manipulate the ant's behavior through its control over the ant's nervous system. Infected ants display abnormal behavior patterns. They are compelled to leave their colony and venture into areas of the forest floor where environmental conditions are optimal for the fungus's growth. The ant's navigational abilities are impaired, causing it to move in repetitive patterns or climb vegetation. As the infection progresses, the fungus continues to consume the ant's internal organs until it eventually reaches the ant's brain. At this point, the ant is effectively a host for the fungus, and its behavior becomes even more controlled. The fungus induces the ant to climb to an ideal location, usually a leaf or twig, where it will secure itself by biting onto the substrate. The ant's mandibles become locked in position, and it remains affixed, providing a platform for the fungus to grow and reproduce. Once secured, the fungus develops a spore-producing structure called the fruiting body from the ant's body. This fruiting body releases vast numbers of spores into the surrounding environment, increasing the chances of infecting other unsuspecting ants. The relationship between Ophiocordyceps unilateralis and its ant hosts is a remarkable example of parasitic manipulation in nature. Scientists continue to study this fungus to gain insights into its mechanisms of control and the potential applications of its bioactive compounds. The study of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis has revealed some intriguing aspects of its life cycle and its impact on ant populations. The fungus demonstrates a remarkable level of specificity in its host choice, primarily targeting ants of certain species or genera. The behavioral manipulation exerted by Ophiocordyceps unilateralis on its ant host is a subject of great interest. The fungus somehow alters the ant's behavior, compelling it to leave the safety of its colony and navigate towards optimal conditions for the fungus's growth and dispersal. Once the ant has reached a suitable location, the fungus takes control over the ant's muscles, forcing it into a fixed position where it remains until the fungus completes its life cycle. The precise mechanisms through which the fungus achieves this manipulation are still not fully understood, and ongoing research aims to shed more light on this fascinating phenomenon. The study of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis also has broader implications beyond its interactions with ants. The fungus is known to produce a wide array of bioactive compounds with potential medicinal properties. Researchers are exploring these compounds for their antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-cancer properties, among others. Additionally, understanding the ecology of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis contributes to our knowledge of fungal ecology, parasitism, and the intricate relationships between organisms in ecosystems. It highlights the complexity and interdependence of various organisms and the ways in which they can manipulate each other's behavior. Overall, Ophiocordyceps unilateralis remains a captivating subject of scientific study, offering insights into parasitic behavior, evolutionary adaptations, and the potential applications of fungal compounds in various fields. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis is not only intriguing from a scientific perspective but also holds potential implications in various fields. The unique bioactive compounds produced by this fungus have attracted interest in the fields of medicine and agriculture. In the field of medicine, researchers have been investigating the medicinal properties of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Some compounds extracted from the fungus exhibit antimicrobial activity, potentially offering new avenues for developing antibiotics or antifungal drugs. Additionally, there is ongoing research into the potential anti-cancer properties of these compounds. Furthermore, the study of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis and its interaction with ants has implications in the field of agriculture and pest management. Understanding the mechanisms through which the fungus manipulates ant behavior could inspire novel approaches for controlling ant populations in agricultural settings. It may lead to the development of eco-friendly methods for pest control that target specific ant species without harming other beneficial organisms. Moreover, the study of Ophiocordyceps unilateralis serves as a reminder of the complexity and intricacy of ecosystems. It highlights the delicate balance between parasites and their hosts, shedding light on the evolutionary arms race that occurs between organisms. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis continues to be a subject of active research, and ongoing studies aim to unravel more mysteries surrounding its biology, ecology, and potential applications. The knowledge gained from studying this fungus may contribute to